My name is Chitra Haridas.
And you're from which place?
I'm from Bangalore.
And which exam you have cleared?
I did M Design, attempted NID M Design for interaction design.
How was your exam?
It was fine, it was quite a time crunch. It was quite stressful. But yeah, the best method to attempt any of these exams is to, from the research that I've done, is to attempt the best of your ability, the most creative solutions, more than quantity. Quality over quantity is the main funda in these kind of exams. Yeah.
And do you remember your question? Any question in the
Yes, there were multiple things regarding totally four of interaction design questions and 37 of common questions, MCQ questions. And the 4 interaction design questions were all technology based, and one was regarding usability, user feasibility, and the other 3 were all technology based, devices, that sort of thing. So one was for smartphones, one was for household equipments, and another was for an app.
So how you will rate your exam on the difficulty level? Where 1 is most difficult and 10 is like easiest, like you have just rock.
I'm pretty sure if a designer sat and had to rate their own exam, they'd rate it really low. Anybody would rate it really low. So that's difficult to say. But yeah, around because of the time crunch, I'd say around 6.5. It's quite a difficult exam in terms of time crunch more than anything else.
Any particular question? Do you want to explain how you solved it? What was the question, and you find it very interesting or very difficult?
One particular question is the household items, which could be an IoT. IoT is the future, and regarding how household items would end up becoming smarter and smarter as the days go by. So that was definitely pretty not challenging. I would say it was interesting. It was very interesting because you're going to put yourself in your household activities and what kind of functions would actually help you in solving, maybe using that item better, maybe a washing machine or maybe a phone or a TV or whatever it is. So that was a pretty interesting question.
Any other where you find it very difficult?
No, just the half an hour time crunch for all the common questions.
According to you, there in this exam, time management was the challenge. Managing time to solve.
Highest challenge: quick sketches, line drawings, drawing lines, basically conveying your message, getting your proportions right, drawing your lines perfectly. Those are the most important things. You're not gonna be marked based on your shading experiences, how much you shade. It's not an art project. So it's all about conveying your message. So your proportions have to be right, your drawings have to be correct, proportionately it has to be correct, and yeah, that's pretty much the main gist of it.
Your message and preparation tips for next year aspirants?
Draw a lot and do a lot of general study about arts and whatever field you're taking up. General scope. They don't need experts in your field. NID doesn't need experts in your field. They need people who are interested and people who have basic knowledge and what you can do with that basic knowledge. That is the base. That is the main intention of these kind of exams.
Have you taken any preparation classes from any institute, or you did self-study?
I did self-study.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what was your routine? How much time every day you have dedicated for this?
Every day sketch and every day read something about design or something design oriented, and that should do. But at the same time, I'm also a working professional. So
where are you working?
I'm working as an architect.
Okay.
So because of that, I think it's been a lengthy preparation for me. Because of that, every single day I do a little bit, sketch one, make one simple sketch proportionately, and
Do you think this is after NID, this PG course, this will add value in your career, and there are a lot of career opportunities?
oh yeah, definitely. They've known for their career opportunities. So that is definitely, it is very skill based. The more skill based you are, the more career opportunities you get automatically. So this is less theoretical, it is more skill based. So yes.
Thank you very much, and
Alright.
all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you a design, architecture, or fine arts career aspirant? This video is for you. Crack NID, NIFT, NATA, CED, UCED, entrance exam with India's #1 entrance exam preparation institute, having 100% student selection record in top ranking colleges in previous years. Register for a free demo class and get up to 100% scholarships. What are you waiting for? Register now.